Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google account lock on an Android device. It's a security feature that Google enabled back in Android 5 to where when a device is factory reset without first removing the Google account that's on it, it's then going to be locked to that account after the reset, and you have to sign back in with the account that was previously on the device with that same email and password. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. It might be a little shiny here on the back to be able to fully pick that up, but this is a device that does have the Google account lock enabled. As we can see here, as we're going through the setup process, we come to a screen that says that it was reset, and it asks for the previous account that was on the device. But we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove this type of lock on the device without having to have that email address and password. The procedure is something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, so this procedure can be done for almost anyone anywhere in the world as long as they have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection. Now, before we started making the video, we had already done 99% of the work here for removing the lock. So now that we've restarted the phone, we'll just have to go through all of the setup steps, and then we should be able to see that we can then get through all of the steps without coming to that lock. So give it 1 second here. We're just going to start skipping everything. We're going to skip the Wi-Fi setup.
You can restore the settings.
And we don't want to restore any old data, so we're going to skip that. And then we're going to wait while it checks here. Actually, I think I can probably make this go faster if I turn off the Wi-Fi. Let me go back and do that. Okay, so now there's no Wi-Fi. Now we're going to go skip. Skip,
you can restore
skip. Okay, yeah, there we go. So now we just see the Google services, accept. We don't want to add a screen lock. We're just going to skip everything here.
You're back.
And accept and skip. And skip through everything else.
Log into us.
Skip.
You're done setting up your...
Okay. Now I think we're all set. Yep, there we go. So we're now at the device's home screen. The lock has been completely removed, and now all of the features and apps and everything are accessible, just like a normal device. And there's no tricks involved here. Of course, as you can see, we didn't sign in with our own account or anything like that. All we did was perform our procedure with our programs and tools and then just restarted the phone. Now, just to show you here exactly what we're working with, we'll jump into the settings real quick. So we do indeed here have an S10 5G, as we can see, and the specific model number here of this one is a G977U. This is a Verizon device, as you may have seen the Verizon logo there when it was turning on. And so that's the model of this device, but this can be done for just about any S10 5G model. So if you have an S10 5G that has the Google account lock and needs to get removed, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. While you're here, make sure to also hit that subscribe button so that you're notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.